everybody, it's Poochie,
Honey,
and we are going to do an unboxing video of Nikes. Did you start to say shoes?
shoes.
I mean, they're Nike shoes, but they're Nikes. So, let's see what we got. As usual, Elvis is supervising. Let's see what we got.
Ready?
We paid $89.97 for 2 lots of 3 shoes each. So that's going to be $89.97 divided by 6 shoes. That is $14.99 per shoe. That's about $15 a shoe.
First.
A pair of shoes.
First shoes. White Nikes.
White Nikes, Air. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one shoe, guys. A F1. They look pretty good. Now, I don't know if you know, and the soles look really good. Lots of tread left.
Poochie, where did you get these from?
None of your damn business. I got them from America's Thrift Supply. This is a lot from America's Thrift Supply. It doesn't really matter where we get them. What matters is what we're getting, honey.
Poochie, I have your next pair of shoes.
I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted. I have someone licking my left knee.
It's not me.
Most people who do these videos do not have to deal with that. My ADD is already like boing, boing, boing. And I'm like, someone's licking my knee. Oh, these are pretty well. Yeah, these are worn. These are worn. I'm going to give these a Revolution 2.
Maybe they're just distressed.
No, that's not it, Betsy. Honey. Yeah, these are like, meh. Like, I might give these to my kid because, you know. Huh?
I think an elf for them.
Think an elf wore them?
Yeah, look at the
They're
toe.
really, really crappy on the bottom. Lots of wear. That is disappointing. That is disappointing. Those might need to go to Junior if he can fit them.
Okay, Poochie.
Junior wears out shoes like crazy, so it doesn't really matter what kind of shoes. It's just he's going to beat the absolute crap out of them.
Those are little shoes.
Oh yeah, they are. Oh, not a lot of tread. Okay, so here's what we have. Oh, that sucks though. Come on, guys. Is it supposed to be like that? Well, that just looks like crud.
It's the style.
That is gross. It looks like the inside of a camping mattress.
Is it supposed to be like that?
I don't know. Both of them are like that, so I don't know. $15. Not really.
Not feeling it?
Yeah, I'm not feeling it. They aren't as bad as the last pair, but man, the last lot I got from them was much better.
These ones might be better. Are you ready?
I'm excited. Are you excited?
This one.
Air Jordan. Okay, these are nice. These are in good condition.
Yeah, these are better.
Better condition. We'll have to go on and like, you know, the treads are good. The tread is good. Not great, but yeah, really, really good. It's amazing how little some people wear their shoes. Because, I mean, I wear the heck out of my shoes. I wear... So does Junior. He will wear shoes until his toes are literally poking out the front of the shoe. and you say to him, why don't you just tell me you need new shoes? And he says, Flight Ease. Oh, those are cool. Okay. Okay. We'll have to look and do comps for all of these because this one's a little damaged on the thing there. I don't know if you can see it. See that coming off. But they are used shoes. And the tread is...
Are you okay, Poochie?
Do I have YouTuber's insurance for that? You never see Mr. Beast hit himself in the head with a shoe. That's why he makes the big bucks.
Who's Mr. Beast?
Mr. Beast is probably, they say he's going to be the first YouTube billionaire. He gives out a lot of money.
See,
And I'm just going to say, if all of us could give out a lot of money, like $436,000 for one video, we would all have a lot more viewers.
There you go, Poochie.
Thanks,
You're welcome.
honey. All day play.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, these are nice.
One more.
These aren't really, you know, that impressive. Oh, those might be. Compared to the last lot of 3 I got in. I like that one so much I wanted to get 2 lots of 3.
These have a college theme on them.
Oh, they're LSU.
Yeah.
Oh, you can hold that one.
Okay.
LSU.
With that.
That LSU. Engineered
To the exact specifications of the world-class runners, Nike running.
Oh, these are cool. These are cool. I like the way
We
those
both showed our age because it was like...
lace in. Yeah. Well, that's not, I mean, I don't know if that's age or just eyesight woes. These are almost brand new too. So hopefully we have a few of these that are good. These are cool looking though. Shall we check, Betsy?
Let's check.
Shall we check?
Yeah, let's check.
You know you're old when you have to get a jeweler's loop to look and see the number inside the Nike. My God, now she's got another one. That is Louie. He is the mascot. You see, when you see Poochie, you see the mascot, the little doggy with the hat and the little mustache and bow tie. That's him. That's Louie. So here's what we have for all the shoes. Turns out there were 3-pair mystery lot. They gave us 4 pairs in one of them, which is good because they were not good. We got 3 pairs of kids' shoes, which they don't ever sell for as much as adult shoes usually. So the LSU shoes, I found a comp $60. The kids, 1 pair of the kids, I think they were black and blue, $25. A pair of blue and white adult, I think they were high tops, I'm not sure, but $100. Oh, they were the Air Jordan ones, $100. White, can't remember, they were Air Force One, I think, $45. 2 pairs of kids' shoes, $25, and the really, really crappy shoes, I figure $15 maybe. So total, if we sell all of those at those prices, it's $295. Now, I always take off a little bit more for, hi, I had a low battery. Sorry about that. I always take off a little bit more for, like if somebody wants to give a best offer or something and we take it. So I usually take off between 25 and 40%. These are priced pretty well. So we probably take out 25% for all fees and some best offer discounts. So that's $73.75 is 25%. We paid $89.97. So if you take the $295 that we'll probably sell this stuff at, minus the fees or the little, you know, move around room for best offers, minus what we paid, and our total profit is $131.28, which we paid $89. Our total, we paid about $90. So usually I'd like to make $180 profit. We're not there, but when I consider that all of there's only 7 items, and one of them's just crap, that is over $20 profit per item, which is good. When you can spend $15 on an item and you can make the $15 back plus the fees plus a $20 profit, that is how you want to buy low,
Sell high,
and subscribe. Bye, everybody.